The views from the Estes Park Aerial Tramway are breathtaking. But is this classic Colorado ride worth the hike and the ticket price? We're heading up Prospect Mountain to find out. We'll explore the ride, visit the newly reopened summit, and see if the views live up to the hype. Before we soar, let's talk logistics. The tramway has its own small lot with 57 spaces, but it fills up fast. And adult tickets are about $40 with discounts for seniors and the military. My biggest tip, book your tickets online for a specific time slot, noting that the tram does shut down for the winter. The boarding process is simple and straightforward. The ride up is surprisingly quick and smooth, only about 5 minutes. What's most unique is the free span design, meaning there are no support towers between the top and the bottom. As you climb, the view of Estes Park and landmarks like the Stanley Hotel just explodes below. It's a gentle, majestic float up the mountain, and the views on the way up are an attraction in and of themselves. Thank you. Sure.
Thank you. We ran it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Rocky Mountain Gift Shop. Hungry Chipmunk Cafe. Jerky. Hello, how are you? Very good. There's a little trail you can take throughout the park. She said only through November this is open.
So was it worth it? Around $40 for an adult ticket? It's not cheap, but you do get a unique ride on a piece of American history, instant access to a mountain summit without a strenuous hike, and genuinely breathtaking views from the mountain summit. Just a short video on the iconic Estes Park Aerial Tram. A little pricey again, but worth the views. If you like this content, do us a favor and hit the like button and subscribe. It helps our channel out greatly. And check out all our other destination videos at Travel with D&E. Thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you at the next destination.